I'm Sophia.
I'm Island.
I'm Sarah.
We will be discussing emphysema. Emphysema is a disorder that mainly affects the lungs, causing alveolar damage and shortness of breath. But what causes emphysema? There are two main causes: environmental factors such as smoking and genetic factors, which we'll be focusing on today. 2 to 3% of patients diagnosed with emphysema have alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency.
Emphysema linked with genetic factors begins with mutations of the SERPINA1 gene. This mutation causes deficiencies in a protein called alpha-1 antitrypsin. The role of this protein is to protect the lungs by controlling the regulation of a proteolytic enzyme called neutrophil elastase that acts as a defense system. Shortages of alpha-1 antitrypsin will lead to an excess accumulation of neutrophil elastase, which leads to host tissue damage in the lungs.
Because there's no cure for emphysema, our team's proposal is to find a possible treatment. By implementing a neutrophil elastase inhibitor called Silvestat, it will limit neutrophil elastase by binding to it, and therefore reduce accumulation and damage to the lungs. The experiment will be conducted on groups of adult mice that have emphysema. One group will be controlled and no doses will be given, while the other group will be induced with various doses of Silvestat, and then will be monitored with a split green fluorescent protein through in vivo imaging. This would help us to visualize the binding of Silvestat. Additionally, non-invasive Buchscal pulmonary function tests will be used to detect an increase in lung functionality in the mice. As emphysema affects many people, we hope to find a cure to help those who are diagnosed, and hopefully to be one step closer to find solutions to other lung-related diseases.